How to delete a contact on Viber. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily remove any contact from Viber. So let's just jump right into it. First thing you do is open up your Viber application on your device and make sure that you are logged in. Now you're just going to have to find the contact that you want to delete. So what I'm going to do is tap on the contact right here. And once you have done that, your chat will open up. The next step is to tap on the profile icon at the top. Because if you try to tap on the three lines at the top right here, you won't see an option to delete. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on the profile. Now, once this pop-up comes on your screen, then you just have to tap on the three lines at the top right. And here you'll have an option called delete. So just tap on it. Now, this pop-up will appear as asking if you really want to delete this from your device contact. And if you're sure you want to delete it, tap on delete. And then your contact will be deleted from Viber. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.